I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so fixes work. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility to find Talk Back. Toggle it to Observe Behavior, because this isolates app glitches versus system faults. Next, test hardware volume. Hold the volume keys for about 5 seconds, since Talk Back speaks at system volume. Once done, reboot the phone. Restarting clears temporary service conflicts. Make sure battery is above 10%, and recall any recent app installs that might have changed accessibility permissions. Now you dig deeper to repair service level issues. Go to Apps, enable Show System Apps, find Talk Back, and clear cache. If problems persist, clear data to reset its state, because corrupted prefs often break behavior. Then, confirm accessibility service permission is granted. Denied permissions prevent output. Next, update both the TalkBack component and system software to get latest bug fixes. If you installed something just before trouble, uninstall it. Third-party apps sometimes intercept accessibility APIs and cause conflicts. Finish by isolating persistent faults and restoring defaults. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are the culprit. If TalkBack works there, remove recent apps until stable. If safe mode fails, back up personal data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep configuration corruption. Finally, if the issue appeared after an update, consider rolling back or contacting Huawei support for an EMUI patch. If nothing helps, create a second user account and test Talk Back there to confirm whether the problem is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.